Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I have been tasked with introducing you all to the ReadyWig, okay? ReadyWig is a company that specializes in all types of units, whether it's human hair or synthetic hair, and they reached out to me to provide me with this 13x6 ash blonde beauty, which is why I have the pink makeup, because obviously I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. I'm gonna burn this whole neighborhood down if they don't stop playing with me. So, this unit is stunning. I didn't even cut the lace on this. This is the inside. Look how much lace you all get, right? 3 combs in the front, okay, for security, because we don't need our wigs snatched up off our head. And 1 comb in the back, okay? Adjustable straps, as well as lace in the back so you can throw her up in a cute pony. So, I'm just gonna throw her on so you can get an idea of what the actual lace looks like. Look how good that looks, guys. I'll pluck her a teeny bit, but for the most part, she is good. And she has baby hairs, which we all love those. Look at that. Look how good that looks, guys. It just needs to be thinned out around here. Don't judge my nails. I'm braiding my hair later. And I can't have those long nails. So, look at the lace. Okay? Now, this unit can and probably should be glued down. But I just want you guys to know she is 24 inches. Okay? I'm giving y'all all types of Barbie doll things and all my pink. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop the lace off. Look how flat she lays. I have done nothing to her, guys, but throw her on my head. Okay? Look at that. I kind of like this. Let me turn this up a little bit so you guys can see. I kind of like this because it almost gives me pink in that because I have on pink, but I am feeling it. I'm gonna chop this lace off and I'll be right back.
Safe for skinny hoes. Can't move all of this here to one of those. I'm a thick bitch, I need tempo.
All right, guys, we're back. Thank you so much for joining us again with this unit. I am so excited. ReadyWig has like really outdone themselves with this one. She does tangle a bit, but she's also a longer unit. She's 24 inches, so that to me is about right. You know what I mean? I really think, though, first of all, this ash blonde is everything anybody could ask for more. But look how the hair is silky without giving plastic. Because nobody wants that. Like, we're so far past the plastic look or whatever the case may be. But I do think that this unit is so, what's the word I want to use? This unit is so currently this wig is going for $52.99, but I do have a coupon for some points off. You know, I gotta come through for the kids. But I don't know, what are you guys thinking? Get up on this color. I'm feeling her. I really am. And she's not heavy, but she's thick, and that's a big deal because you don't want to feel like I'm gonna die of heat exhaustion, you know what I mean? But you do want to give a good tease. Like, this I really think this unit is giving me more rose gold than anything else, which is fascinating. But I really am feeling her. Okay? She's bone straight. She doesn't have really any layers, but that doesn't bother me at all because obviously bone straight is one of my favorite looks. And Black Girl Blonde is also one of my favorite looks. And I really think that, first of all, brown girls, first of all, I'm giving y'all all my. I really think that this unit is super functional. And I think that Black Girl Blonde is a thing, okay? I mean, Blonde Girl Blonde is a thing, but Black Girl Blonde is a thing, honey. And I think y'all need to pick up what I'm putting down. And I'm putting down this ReadyWig. I'm putting down this ReadyWig along with a coupon, okay? So if you check down in the bio, I do have a cute little coupon attached to our link. And I think that we should really get into this. She is everything. Everything and more. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. I am really giving I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. It is like really insane to me. And I always knew Barbie was supposed to be black because why not? But I just really am outdone with myself, with this hair, with everything. So shout out to ReadyWig for wanting to collaborate with us and show off this unit. Oh, did you get that? And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.